Good morning, first grade. Welcome to our third week of grammar. This week we are taking a look at statements. Today for your lesson, you will need to grab out your grammar worksheet that looks like this. This is your grammar worksheet that says statements at the top of it. This is the sheet we'll be using today. We'll be looking at the front side. You will also need to use the back side. So you'll need this sheet out, and you will also need a pencil. So if you don't have a pencil out, make sure you grab out a pencil and that worksheet. Today we are going to be talking about statements. So let's go ahead and take a look at this top sentence. It says, the cat plays with the ball. Is that a statement? A statement, remember, is a sentence that tells us something. The cat plays with the ball. Is that a statement? Yes, it is. Let's look at our second sentence. Sam slid down the hill. Is that going to be a statement? Sam slid down the hill. Does the sentence tell us something? Yes, it does. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of sentences, and we have to figure out if they're statements or they're not. Let's look at the first one. Hit it. Is that a statement? Hit it. Do we know who hit it? No. So we know that that is not a statement. It's not a full sentence. It's not telling us anything. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. 6 pigs nap in the van. Is that a statement? 6 pigs nap in the van. Does it tell us something? Yes, it does. So we're going to go ahead and put a smiley face there. That is a good statement sentence. Tells us something. Let's look at the third sentence here. Dad zips up the hill. Dad zips up the hill. Is that a statement? Does it tell us something? Yes, it does. Okay, here is where you get to come in. Today, we are going to look at the front side of this sheet, but we're also going to look at the back and get a little practice in. So right now, you need to be turned to the back side of your paper. And we're going to look at 2 more sentences. We want to make sure that they're statements, and we want to make sure that they're a complete sentence, meaning not only does it make sense, but also that it has a capital letter and a end mark, a period, right? So we're on the back side. Sentence number 1. It says, Jill will fix ham and yams. Jill will fix ham and yams. Now, does that statement make sense? Jill will fix ham and yams. Yes. Do you notice that it's missing something though? Yes. It's missing what? It's missing a period at the end of your sentence. So what you need to do on the back side of your paper is you need to rewrite it, and it needs to still have a capital J for Jill. Will fix, notice I have a space in between, take that finger and put it in between, ham and yams, and make sure that it ends with a period. Go ahead and do that right now. If you are not done, that's okay. You can go ahead and pause it and finish writing that sentence. When you're done writing that sentence on the back, you go ahead and hit play, because we're going to take a look at the next sentence. Here's what it says. The balls go in the bin. Is that a statement? Is it telling us something? Yes, it is. Now let's look at it again. Do we have a capital letter? Is that a capital letter? Thumbs up, yes. Thumbs down, no. No, it's not. We need to have a capital T for the. The balls go in the bin. Do we have a period at the end of our sentence? No, we don't. So that was missing both key parts to our sentence. Now we need to rewrite it. So, this was your paper, right? If you needed to make it into 2 lines, obviously you made it into 2 lines. So here we go, here's your next sentence. The balls go in the bin. Make sure you have a period. The only word that should be capitalized in that sentence is the word the. No other words should be capitalized, okay? In Jill will fix ham and yams, the only word that should be capitalized is the J in Jill. So the J in Jill should be capitalized, the T in the should be capitalized. Okay, make sure you have that sentence written. If you need to pause it, you go ahead and pause, and then we're gonna keep on moving with our worksheet. So now you need to make sure, please, that you have out your grammar worksheet. I want to explain exactly what you're going to do in this worksheet today. So if you were finishing up on the back side, you finish up, then you hit play again when you're ready. Otherwise, we're gonna keep on moving here. Here's what it tells us to do. Draw a line under the statements, only under the statements. So let's go ahead and do one of these together. Sentence 1 says, Pip and I play. Is that a statement? Pip and I play. It is. You'll notice that it's a sentence that's telling us something, and it starts with a capital letter and it ends with a period. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line under it. Didn't say circle. We have to make sure we follow directions. So make sure that it's an underline. Oh, in first grade, I almost forgot. I hope you didn't forget. We need to make sure that we have our name on our paper so everyone knows that it's our work. Please, if you did not put your name on your paper, stop what you're doing right now and make sure that your name is on your paper. Okay, name on your paper, and we did number 1. Let's just look at number 2. A cat is. Is that a statement? A cat is. No, it's not. So are we gonna do anything with number 2? No. Why don't you just go ahead and just put an X on number 2? By having an X on number 2, you're showing me that, yep, I looked at the sentence and I know that it's just not right. That is not a statement. It doesn't tell me something about the cat. The cat is what? Cat is white. The cat is spotted. The cat is sleeping. We don't know anything about the cat. So that cannot be a statement. Now, first grade, your job is to go through and finish 3, 4, 5, and 6. If it is a statement, draw a line under, just like we did for number 1. If it's not a statement, put an X on it, just like we did for number 2. When you're done with this sheet, please make sure you go ahead and put this into your folder for Monday, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.